Hey y'all, it's me, Nisharese. Thank you again for joining my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We are going to be completing these eyes today, so let's just hop right into it. I am of course going to be using my Juvias Place palette. This one is the Nubian 2. I haven't used this one yet, I don't think, but some really great colors. So I'm going to be working with that one and that one and that one, a little bit of that one. You know the vibe, So to start off, I'm just going to take, wipe this brush off. It's a e.l.f.'s blending brush, and I'm going to go into this Morocco orange color. I've already primed my lid. What did I use? I used the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I think I used that in my last video, and it is definitely still top on my list right now. It just blends, honestly, so effortlessly. So yeah, anyways, I'm just taking this orange color, blending this outward towards my outer corner, kind of packing it on first and then blending up towards my brow bone in my inner corner. This is a very, very simple look. Today is February 1st and I am late to the party. I have not seen Bad Boys 2 yet. So I'm gonna go spend the day with my mother and my sister and watch that movie. Have you guys seen it yet? What do you think? What do you think? Did you like it? I haven't seen one yet, which is odd. Don't judge me. No judgment zone. But I love 2. I'm gonna go into this brown color right next to it and just soften that part up close to my brow. But yeah, I haven't seen 1 yet, which I probably should have done years ago by now, but whatever. But I do love 2. So anyways, I'm going to take this Jezebel color. It's like a plum color, and I'm just going to pack that on my outer corner, deepen that up a little bit. I really didn't know where I was going with this look today. I don't even know what I'm wearing today, but I haven't used this palette yet, so I was inspired to do so. I'm just really putting that on my outer corner and then bringing it in a little bit. You guys already know Juvias Place is like literally my favorite palettes. I have pretty much all of them. Surprisingly, I haven't tried their blush yet though. I might go purchase that this weekend, and I'm pretty sure the pigment is just as much there as these palettes. So I have that burgundy there. I'll deepen that up a little bit more in a second. Whoa, clumsy. So I'm taking the NYX glitter primer that I always use. And I'm just going to lay this down to help with my, what do you call it? The metallic color that I'm going to lay down. It just kind of helps it stick just a little bit better. Putting that down with my finger, or you could use a brush, whatever suits you. I don't want to cut crease. I want just a nice blended effect. So I'll take this brush, it doesn't have anything on it, and just make sure that the outer corners are blended. And then I'm patting just to give it a smooth surface so that when I do apply, it's not all clumpy. You know? Y'all already know the drill by now. You already know. So I'm taking my favorite, I have no idea what this brush is, where I got it from, or how long I've had it, but I know I cannot live without it. It's just a flat, I don't know, a flat, small little packing brush that I use pretty much every time I apply my makeup. But anyways, so I'm going to take this Nefertiti orangish metallic shade right here. I'm going to get a generous amount on my brush and just start packing that on my lid. see, it's so vibrant. It's so pretty. Again, I had no idea where I was going with this look, but here we are. We're gonna figure it out together. I might try like a white color in my waterline, or I wish I had a purple eyeliner. I have shadows, but I like the eyeliner look. So I'm taking a blending brush and just kind of blending these edges out so that they can seamlessly blend into the other colors that are already laid down. Making sure it doesn't have that cut crease look. It's a very blended, pretty look. I live for a vibrant eye. Like, I can't even hold you. So, anyways, I'm gonna take this Jezebel color again, pack that onto my corners, bring that inward just a little bit. I'm going in like a side swiping motion just so the orange and the purple can kind of marry nicely together. You want to bring it all together. So just side motion, if you can see that. And just kind of build that purple up, and then we'll soften the outer corners out in a second. There's like this white little golden shimmer shade, Zuri. You put that in the center just a little bit. It's not too bright or anything, but it just gives it nice dimension, if you can see that. It's pretty pretty. I don't want like a halo effect, but I definitely like just the different dimensions of colors blending into each other. This one has nothing on it. This is another e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm just going around the outer portions, making sure everything is blended nicely. You know, that is honestly pretty much it. We add some eyeliner and some lashes on. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a look. This is a look. Okay. Let's blend this corner just a little bit. I might put a pop of gold or something brighter just to make my tear duct stand out just a little more. But for the most part, what we have is what it's gonna be. But it will be a sleigh, you know? Okay, let me throw my lashes and eyeliner on and I'll be right back. All right, so this brings us to the end of the video. Hopefully you like. I would say it came out pretty good. What do you think? Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. You already know. Also follow my Instagram, Nisharese, and Coacertified. Don't forget to tell someone that means something to you, that you love them. Say something nice. I know we're all affected by the Kobe and his daughter and all of the special people that lost their lives on last Sunday. So starting with me, I love you guys all so much for supporting, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.